Nickname Bersu. Profession actress. Birthplace Eskişehir, Turkey. Date of birth 12/12/1989. Age 31 years old. Zodiac sign Sagittarius. Nationality Turkish. Height 163 centimeter. Weight 50 kg. Favorite color blue. Eyes color dark brown. Hobbies acting and modeling. Instagram followers 4.2 million and above. Famous dramas Aslam Alam, Sahani Damat, Magnificent Century. Family lover, younger brother. Material status single. Net worth $400,000. Nickname Sanam. Occupation actress. Date of birth August 14, 1987 and she is 22 years old. Zodiac sign Leo. Hair color dye blonde and eyes are dark brown. Sexual orientation is straight. Height 5 feet 3 inches. Body type slim. Her salary per month $10,000 and net worth is $1 million approx. Famous movies Selena 2006, Turks in Space 2006, NLR 2015. Nationality is Turkish and she is living in Istanbul, Turkey. Engaged 2010. Hobbies modeling, acting and do a lot of traveling. Her father name is Mehmet Kobal. Her good habits is shopping. Of Sedef Ekvi. Welcome to my channel. Full name Sedef Ekvi. Nickname Sedef. Date of birth January 22, 1982 and she is 38 years old. Birthplace Adana, Turkey. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Height 5 feet 10 inch and weight 55 kg. Black hairs and she has brown eyes. Her hips 35 inches. Dress size 5 US. In free time, she is doing painting. Her hobbies are modeling and acting. Body measurement 33 to 35 inches. Debuted in TV series Yarıl Dokumu, film Hayatın Karma. Net worth $5 million. chest size 33B, body type slim. Children's son 1. Material status married. She has 1.2 million followers on Instagram. Her father name is Babar Akvi. Her favorite color is purple and her favorite car is Jeep. Her nickname is Yasmin. Her profession is actress. Her date of birth is July 10, 1989 and she is 30 years old in 2020. Her birthplace is London, United Kingdom. Her zodiac sign is Cancer. Height 5 feet 9 inch. Weight 52 kg. Waist 23 inches. And her hips are also 23 inches. Dress size 4 US. Hair color is blondie. Eye color is green. Ex-boyfriend is one is Ibrahim in 2013 and second one is Honor Tuna 2012. Her first TV serial is Elif and second work in advertisement of Sprite. Her nationality is England and Turkish. Net worth is $2.5 million approx. Qualification is graduation and she is also a good driver. Today we talk about the famous Turkish chef named Burak Özdemir. He is famous Turkish chef. His full name is Burak Özdemir. His other professions are YouTube star and Instagram star. His date of birth is 12 March 1974 and his birthplace is Turkey. His age in 2020 is 46 years old. His height is 5 feet 9 inch and weight is 74 kg. His hometown is Yalada, Turkey, and his nationality is also Turkish. His present address Istanbul, Turkey. His profession and hobby is cooking. His marital status is unmarried. His favorite color is white. His favorite sport is wrestling. And his favorite food is kebab. He is expert in cooking. His other activities are traveling. In family members, he has 2 brothers and he is. Her nickname is Fan. Her birthday is September 16, 1981 and she is 38 years old. Her profession is actress and singer. Her birthplace is Qingdao, Shandong, China. Her height is 1.68 meter and weight is 51 kg. Her marital status is single. Her first TV serial is My Fair Princess. As a singer, she released her first album in 2005. She is Chinese, highly paid and influential actress. Her award-winning movies are The Merit Money and The Lost in Beijing. She wore a dragon robe for the 63rd Cannes Film Festival. Her net worth is $120 million. Her father's name is Fan Tao and she has 3.8 million followers on Instagram. Last updated March 2020. She is also known as Dilruba. Her birthday is June 3rd, 1992. Her boyfriend name is William Chan. Her born country is China. Her sun sign is Gemini. Her age is 27 years old. Her profession is actress. Her height is 5 feet 7 inches. She debuted in popular Chinese TV series in Diamond Lover. She acted as an actress from 2013. Her first film, Fall in Love Like a Star, 2015. In 2017, she received her first leading role in a romantic comedy film named Mr. Pride vs. Mr. Prejudice. Her net worth is $1 million. Her hair color is black. Eyes are dark brown. Her marital status is single. Her hobbies are modeling. Name Han Hyo-jo. Her profession is actress. Her nationality is South Korean. Her age is 33 years old. And her date of birth is February 22, 1987. Her birthplace is Chungwon, South Korea. Her zodiac sign is Pisces. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches. And weight is 66 kg. Her body type is slim. Eyes color are black. And hairs are brown. Her net worth $2 million. Her first TV show in 2003 is X-Men. She rolled as a guest in it. Her first movie in 2006 is My Boss, My Teacher as a supporting role. Her first drama serial is Non-Stop 5 in 2000. Turkish actress Dilan Sesek Deniz. Her nickname is Dilan Deniz. Her date of birth is February 28, 1995 and she is 25 years old. Her birthplace is Sivas, Turkey. Her zodiac sign is Pisces. Her occupation, actress. And she is a famous model. Her nationality is Turkish. She completed his education from Egg University. Her height is 5 feet 8 inches and weight is 52 kg. Her marital status is single. She wrote a book named Ganesh N.M. Sanifam poetry book in 2010. Year active 2012 till present. Her residence is in Istanbul, Turkey. Her eye color is brown and she was Miss Universe in 2014. Her famous drama is Bodrum Masali in 2016. Her net worth is $4 million. Her childhood memories in grandma home and a picture with his grandmom. She also worked with country civil organization. Her hobbies are gym and swimming. Name Hazel Subasi. Her birthday May 2nd, 1996. Her birthplace is Izmir, Turkey. Her height is 166 centimeter. Her eyes color is brown. Her hairs are also brown. Her education is from Izmir Koruni University, Public Relations and Marketing. Her talent agency is Black Swan Agency. She also Miss Turkey in 2016. Her hip size is 90 and waist is 62. Her profession is actress. Her first TV drama serial in 2016 is You Name It, role as Zara. Second, 2018, name is One Hope is Enough, role as Elif Oskan. Third one, the most famous and popular in 2018 to 19, name The Circle, role as Dibaha. Her nationality is Turkish. Her net worth is $1 to $3.5 million. Her hobbies are photography and swimming. Her zodiac sign is Taurus. He is upcoming. Her age is 33 years old. Her nickname is Little Fox. Her birth name is Young Mi. Her date of birth is December 9, 1986. Her profession is actress and also a film producer. Her nationality is Chinese. Her birthplace is Beijing, China. Her horoscope is Virgo. Her eyes are black and hairs are also black. She makes relationship with an actor named Harvey Lau in 2014. Her marital status is married. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches and weight is 48 kg. Her net worth is $50 million. Now, career. In the age of 6, her first small performance in 1992 in a movie named King of Beggars. Her father is a police officer named Yang Jae-lim. Her famous TV drama serial is The Return of the Condor Heroes. She is upcoming star on Instagram and also Twitter. Her name is Zhao Liang. Her nickname is Zanilia Zhao. Age 32 years old and birthday is on October 16, 1987. Her zodiac sign is Libra. Her birth city is Langfang, Hebei, China. Her ethnicity is Asian. Her favorite color is red. Her nationality is China. Her education is Langfang School of Electric and Fan Technology. Her profession is actress. Year active 2006 till present. Her net worth is $30 million. Marital status is married. Her children are 1. Her date of birth of son is 8 March 2019. Her height is 5 feet 3 inches and weight is 52 kg. Her eyes are black and hair is silky long black. Her blockbuster movie is Duckweed 2017, which amassed about 151.5 million. Today we talk about Chinese actress Yuan Jiantong, full name Yuan Jiantong. Her age is 22 years old. Her date of birth is September 17, 1997. Her zodiac sign is Virgo. Her birthplace is Beijing, China. Education is from Beijing Film Academy. Nationality is China. Her eyes are brown and hairs are silky black. Her body type is slim. Her height is 5 feet 8 inches and weight is 49 kg. Her profession is actress. Her net worth is $1.5 million. Social media facts is Instagram. Her father name is Guan Zhaozeng. Her ethnicity South Asian. She is a granddaughter of Guan Zhuzhen. Her grandfather is the founder of Beijing Quan Shu. Now talk about her career. At the age of 6, she starred in one series and continued career in many movies and TV serials. Since she debuted in 2003, her famous movies are number 1 Electric Shadows and the second one is The Treasure Hunt. Her famous TV drama serials number 1 is Life or Death and the second one Sweet Combat. She awarded as a Best New Actress from 7th China TV Drama Award. She is active on Instagram and Twitter also. Her hobbies are cooking. About Turkish actor. Name is Can Yaman. His nickname is Ken. His date of birth is November 8, 1989. His age is 31 years. His birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality is Turkish. Hometown Istanbul. He is famous for his role in Erasmus 2018-19. His occupation is actor. His net worth $5 million. Body status. Height 6 feet. Weight 95 kg. Chest size 42 inches. Eyes are dark brown. Hairs are black. Body shape is athletic. Now, qualification. Educated from Yeditepe University of Istanbul. Now, debut. Debut year is 2014. First TV show is Gonsal Izleri 2014. Now, relationship and affairs. His marital status is unmarried. Girlfriends Esilio Tupaslu, actress. Demet Özdemir 2019 till present. Social media. He is active on Twitter and also Instagram. His Instagram followers are 5.9 millions. He got a lot of awards. First one, Media and Art. The second one, Turkey Youth Awards. Third one, TV's Top Leading Man of 2009 actor. His full name is Erkan Marek. His profession is actor. Age 33 years. Birth sign Leo. Birth date July 25, 1986. Birthplace Adana, Turkey. And nationality is also Turkish. His height is 6 feet 5 inches and weight is 71 kg. His eyes are dark brown and hairs are black. His hobbies are traveling and photography. social media facts. He is famous on Instagram and having 261,000 followers on Instagram. He is active also on Twitter. His marital status is unmarried and having girlfriend named Hazel Subasi. His net worth is $1 to $5 million. Favorites are his pets, and his pets' name are a piece of lion. Her biography. Her name is Laila Hazel Kaya, nickname Hazel. Date of birth October 1, 1990, and age is 30 years old. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality is Turkish, and she is famous for role in Edini Firtaha Kodium. Her occupation is actress. Net worth is $2 million as in 2020. Now body status. She has beautiful height, which is 5 feet and 3 inches. Her weight is 53 kg. Her dress size is 4 US. Eye color is green and hairs are dark brown natural. Her zodiac sign is Libra. Now about her career. She has started his beautiful career from 2007. Her first TV show, Gensho, from 2007 to 2008. Her first film is A Buyer Can Yuma 2011. Now relationship. Her marital status is married. Her husband name is Ali Ate, who is Mr. 2019. She had a beautiful son. Now talk about her awards. She have got a lot of awards. Famous of them is 19 Social Media Best of the Year, and the second one Istanbul Aydın University Communication. His date of birth is September 10, 1987. Birthplace is Switzerland. His height is 6 feet 1 inch and weight is 81 kg. His marital status is single and his birth sign is Libra. Nationality is Turkish. Their siblings are Onur Erduk and Mert Erduk. He is living in Istanbul. His occupation is actor and also a famous script writer. He debuted his career from 2011 and his net worth is $5 million. His eyes are black and hairs are also in natural black color. His body type is athletic. His hobbies are swimming, playing football, and also driving. He is also a good driver. He is also awarded from Golden Butterfly for Best Actor. He has one younger brother and he is active on Instagram. He have 5.8 million followers. He had some good pets in his home. Yessie Pressman. She is a famous actress and a model in Philippines. Her age is 24 years old and her zodiac sign is Taurus. Her birthplace is British Hong Kong and nationality is Philippine. Her height is 5 feet 3 inches and weight is 55 kg. Her hairs are dark brown and eyes are also dark brown. Her marital status is single. Social media facts: Instagram, Twitter and also Facebook. Her net worth is $2.5 million. He hosted a TV show named Born to be a Star in 2016. Yessie is one of the successful and richest models in the fashion world. Yessie won the Star Cinema Award for favorite movie. The name of movie is Best Friend in 2014. Her second name is Isabel, reference to her mother's home province. Her mother is from Isabela province. She have a car whose name is Dodge Charger. She loves to travel around the world like Italy, France and other historical places of the world. She loves to Yusuf Kim. His date of birth is September 26, 1991 and his birthplace is Istanbul, Turkey. He is 6 feet tall and having 79 kg weight. He is single and his zodiac sign is Libra. He debuted his career from 2013. His occupation is singer, actor and a famous model in Turkey. He is the brand ambassador of Pol Productions Turkey. His songs genres are R&B and also pop music. He starts his series from Selek Koksu with Demet Özdemir. His first film is Ezra in 2014. His last movie is Servet 2018. His first album was Olsen Bakery in 2013. Now his brand endorsement with Eva Mobiles, GS Mobiles and also different companies like Castrol. His nationality is Turkish and nowadays he is living in Istanbul, Turkey. His eyes are dark brown and hair are black. Body type is average. His net worth is $100,000. His favorite car is Mercedes G63 Black. He also won the Best Actor award in 2011. Her date of birth is June 14, 1998. Her birthplace is Moscow, Russia. Her age is 21 years. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall and having 50 kg of weight. Her marital status is single. She is educated from vocational and technical higher school. Nowadays, she is dating with Mithat Ken Ozer. Her occupation is actress. Her zodiac sign is Gemini and nationality is Turkish. Nowadays, she is living in Istanbul, Turkey. Year active from 2014 till present. Her hair color is light brown and eyes are green. Her skin type is fair skin. She became a cover face of High Girl magazine in 2010. Her famous movies are Paramparka and Ilmi Barakma. Hobbies are traveling in different historical countries and also beaches. She have a good skills in swimming. Her lucky number is 14. Her favorite car is Mercedes C180 in the red color. Her net worth is approximately $2 million. Name Alep Nevroz. His date of birth is 15 January 1990. His birthplace is Istanbul, Turkey. He is 6 feet 1 inch tall and weight is 85 kg. His marital status is single. Nowadays, he is dating with Besek Parlak. His profession is actor. He is awarded as a Best Actor award by International Federation. His net worth is $2 million approx. His ethnicity is white. His nationality is Turkish. And nowadays he is living in Istanbul. He is active from 2013 till present. His eye color is hazel. His body type is athletic. His hobbies are swimming, traveling in hilly areas, modeling, and he also have a good skills in ice skating. His favorite car is Mercedes AMG V8. He is active on Instagram and he have 2.5 million followers. Elba Gonzalez Villa. Her date of birth is October 27, 1986 and she is 32 years old. Her birthplace is Madrid, Spain. Her nationality is Spanish. Her occupation is actress. Zodiac sign Scorpio. Now her body measurements. She is 5 feet 9 inch tall and having 56 kg of weight. Her waist is 30 inches and hairs are dark brown. Eyes are also dark brown. Her dress size is 2 US. Now relationship. Her father name is Antonio Flores. Her marital status is single. Now career. Her first movie is El Calentito 2005. The last movie The Memory of Water 2015. Now TV series. First one El Comisario 2006. Vis a Vis 2015 to 19. And the last one Money Heist from 2017 to 20. Now her favorite is, she loves to eat Spanish pizza and pasta. Her favorite color is blue and green. She also have a good skills in swimming and hiking. Her net worth is approximately $2 to $3 million. She is also a Filipino singer. Name is Marcelito Pomoy. His real name is Marcelito Castro Pomoy. He is also known as the male diva. By occupation, he is singer. His birth country is Philippines. His nationality is also Philippine. His age is 36 years old and he is 5 feet 4 inches tall. His date of birth is September 22, 1984. His birthplace Biz Lake City, Philippines. His marital status is married. His daughter name is Marcela Jenna. His net worth is $5 million approx. His wife name is John Paricio. Now, his famous songs. The most popular song is The Prayer and the second one Forever. The third one Hang Gang Negayon and the fourth one Let the Love Begin. His hair color is natural black and eyes are dark brown. His real name is Abdul Qadir Jugulu. His birthday is on 19 April 1982. He is 37 years old. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall and having 71 kg of weight. He is married and he is educated from UConn University. His zodiac sign is Aries. His wife name is Neslihan Etagol. Career. He appeared in more than 10 films since 2010. His famous film is Bir Hikayem Var. You work in it as a lead role. His siblings are Kemal Digulu. He is a musician. Kadir is also a famous model. His nationality is Turkish and nowadays he is living in Istanbul. By occupation, he is an actor. His ethnicity is white. He is active from 2005 till present. His eyes are brown and hairs are black. His body type is slim. His net worth is $1 to $5 million approx. His favorite car is Mercedes G63 Black and favorite bike is the actor name is Kevin Tatlituk. He is also famous for Turkish Brad Pitt. His date of birth is October 27, 1983. He is 36 years old. He is 6 feet 1 inch tall and having 75 kg of weight. His marital status is married. His zodiac sign is Scorpio. His movies are organized with Yilmaz Erdogan, Bensu Soral and Ezgi Mola. On February 19, 2016, he married with a style consultant Besek Dezer in Paris. His siblings are Tugay Tatlituk and Melissa Tatlituk. By occupation, he is actor and a famous model. His most famous TV series are Caesar v. Guzel. He is also awarded by Best Model of Turkey. He is active from 2002 till present. His brand endorsements are Maiva jeans and a cold drink Coca-Cola. His nationality is Turkish. His ethnicity is white. Body type is slim. His suit size is EU 50 to 52. His hair color are blonde. Eyes are blue. His net worth is $2 to $2.5 million. Today we talk about TikTok star named Riaz Ali. His real name is Riaz Afrin. He is 17 years old. He is 5 feet 6 inch tall and having 50 kg of weight. He charges 2 to 5 lakh rupees each ad. His net worth is millions of rupees. He is also famous for TikTok star. His hairs are silky black. Now favorites. His favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. Favorite actress Alia Bhatt. Favorite singer Sandhu. Tony Kakar and Neha Kakar. His favorite food is Pav Bhaji. His hobbies are photo shoot and traveling. Nowadays, he is living in Mumbai, India, and his birthplace is Bhutan. He has 7 million followers on Instagram. His marital status is single. His old girlfriend is Alia Bhatt. He got more than 900 million hearts on social media. His favorite car is Mercedes C180. Now there are some good photo shoots of Riaz LA. Turkish actress. Name is Esra Belgik. Her nickname is Esra. Her age is 27 years. Her date of birth is October 14, 1992. Her birthplace Ankara, Turkey. And nationality is Turkish. By occupation, she is actress. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Libra. Her net worth is $17 million. She charges $170,000 per episode or movie. Her height is 5 feet 10 inch and 68 kg of weight. Her hip size is 34 inches. Body shape is like hourglass. Her hairs are silky black and eyes are dark brown. She having affair with Gökhan Töre. Debut movies. Her famous movie is Dearest Ertugrul. Now debut TV series. Her famous TV serial is Adanis Kutsal Kefka. Now some beautiful pictures of Ersa. Chinese actor named Yang Yang. By profession, he is actor and singer. His date of birth is September 9, 1991 and age is 28 years. His birthplace Shanghai, China. His height is 180 cm and weight is 60 kg. His sun sign is Virgo and Chinese zodiac sign is Goat. He worked with Yukai Entertainment Agency and nowadays he is living in Hefei, People's Republic of China. At the age of 11, he was enrolled in the Department of Dance at Army Arts College in China. He worked in The Dream of Pet Mansions in December 2007 as a lead role, and the drama had 50 episodes. In 2017, he worked in romantic fantasy film named Once Upon a Time. His famous song is Dandelion 2011 and the second one Fly with a Carefree Heart. Awards. First one, the Mango TV Fan Festival 2010, and the second one is Golden Bird 2019. His net worth is $3 to $5 million. He also worked in Mercedes GLB SUV famous ad. Now there is some photo shoots of Yang Yang. He is active on Instagram. Talk about Chinese actor named Lin Yi. Nickname is Lin. By occupation, he is actor and model. He is 20 years old. His birthday is on January 11, 1991. His zodiac sign is Capricorn. His birthplace is China. His nationality is Chinese. His Chinese symbol is tiger. His favorite color is brown. Favorite flower is carnation. His net worth is $2 to $5 million. Debut. His first TV drama serial is Handsome Youth Society. He is 6.1 feet tall and having 65 kg of weight. His eyes and hairs are brown. He is active from 2017 till present. Hobbies. His hobbies are skateboarding, traveling around the world, and playing different types of sports. His ethnicity is Chinese. He is single. Now some childhood memories. Now some good photo shoots of Lin Yi. Name Engin Akyurek. His nickname is Senker. His date of birth is October 12, 1981, and he is 38 years old. He is 6 feet 2 inches tall and having 73 kg of weight. His marital status is single. Zodiac sign is Libra. By occupation, he is actor and thespian. His first TV drama serial is Fatma Gulen Seku Ni. Filmography. His famous film is A Small September Affair in 2014. He also got the Best Series Actor Award in 2007. He also wrote a book named Sizzlick. His net worth is $2 to $3 million. His ethnicity is white. Nationality is Turkish. He is active from 2004 till present. His eyes are dark brown. Hairs are silky black. His body type is slim. Nowadays, he have affair with Nirbar Dorian actress. He is also quite famous on Instagram. Now, there are some photo shoots of Shankar. His real name is Daniel John Ford Padilla. His stage name is Daniel Padilla. Famous as DJ, DJP and Daniel. His date of birth is on 26 April 1995. His birthplace is Manila, Philippines. His nationality is Filipino. His zodiac sign is Taurus. He has 68 kg of weight. Age 25 years as 2020. By occupation, he is actor, a famous model, and singer. He is active from 2010 till present. His height is 5 feet 11 inch. His first TV drama serial is Gimmick in 2010. First movie is 24/7 Love in 2012. He has won over 23 awards till 2018. His net worth is $11 million approx. He is single. He removed with Jasmine Cortez and Julia Mounts. He loves Batman and he is a big fan of Johnny Depp. He loves to travel and he has a talent of Star Magic and ABS.CPN, and he also knows and loves the skateboarding and paintings. Now some childhood memories. His favorite car is Nissan Navara. Now some good photo shoots of Daniel. He is quite famous. Actress name is Julia Mounts. She is 25 years old. Her date of birth is on March 19, 1995. Her zodiac sign is Pisces. Her birthplace is Pendacan, Philippines. By occupation, she is movie actress. Her net worth is $100,000. She is single. She is 5 feet 6 inches tall. Her ethnicity is multiracial. Her nationality is Filipino and weight is 64 kg. Her hairs are black and eyes are dark brown. As of 2020, Julia Mounts is not dating with anyone. Julia Moores had at least 3 relationships in the past. She is famous for Royal Drama Princess. Nowadays, she is driving a car which is Cherry 2019 model. The picture was taken by Julia's on the dad's birthday. Now there are some photo shoots of Julia's. She loves to swim and traveling around the world. She is also quite famous. Most welcome in my channel Sajid Raza Creations. Please guys, first of all subscribe my channel. The actress name is Lee Sung Kyung. Her birthplace is Goyang City. Her education is graduation. She is 5 feet 9 inches tall. By occupation, she is actress and most famous model. She have 48 kg of weight. Her hairs are silky black and eyes are also black. Her dress size is 2 US. Her body type is slim. Nationality is Korean. Her date of birth is August 10, 1990. She have got a lot of gifts on his birthday from his family and friends. Her first TV drama serial is Flower of Queen 2015 and the second one The Doctors. Her famous movies are Trolls, Love with Sling and The Girl Cops. She got awards in 17th Supermodel Contest, 2nd Asia Pacific Supermodel, 3rd Asia Artist Award. Her net worth is $21 million approx. Her marital status is single and she is quite famous on Instagram and having 10.9 million followers. Now there is some photos from his own camera. Her favorite car is Range Rover. Her favorite fruit is cherry and she loves to eat sweets. And the picture was taken by his own camera. Scarlett Johansson. Her real name is Scarlett Ingrid Johansson. She is 35 years old. Her birthplace is Manhattan, New York. Her nationality is American. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall and having 57 kg of weight. By profession, she is actress and a famous model. Her net worth is $180 million. Nowadays, she is living in Paris. Her eyes are green and hairs are brunette. Her zodiac sign is Sagittarius. Her famous albums are Break Up and Anywhere I Lay My Head. She was dating with Jack Antonoff in 2001 and Ryan Reynolds in 2007. Career. She worked in blockbuster movies. Her first TV drama serial is declined in 1995. She goes high popularity with her role in Ghost World. Her favorite perfume is Dolce & Gabbana. Now some famous photo shoots in modeling of Scarlett Johansson. His name is Akin Akinuzu. His nickname is Myron. His birthday on January 1, 1990. His age is 30 years. His birthplace is Ankara, Turkey. He is 5 feet 9 inches tall and having 75 kg of weight. His marital status is single and he is educated from TED College. His zodiac sign is Capricorn. By occupation, he is actor. His film industry agency is Gox Alton. He is active from 2014 till present. His nationality is Turkish. Nowadays, he is living in Ankara, Turkey. His ethnicity is white. His hairs are black and eyes are green. His hobbies are book reading. His net worth is $1.5 million. Debut TV series first Holia Oser and the second one Qasem Sultan. And nowadays he is dating with Sandra. Now here are some good photo shoots of Akin. Here we are the childhood memories of Akin. His favorite car is Porsche Rubik. Her date of birth is June 12, 1983. Her birth sign is Gemini. Her birthplace is Rzeszów, Poland. Her nationality is also Polish. By profession, she is famous and popular model. Her ethnicity is white. She lives together in an apartment in New York. Her marital status is married. Her husband name is Sasha Nezovic. Her hairs are light blonde. Hair type is straight. Her hairstyle is bun. She is 179 cm tall and having 55 kg of weight. Her eyes are light blue. Her net worth is $111 million. She appeared in Vice 2009 yoga fitness game with H&M, Gap, and also with Bell Staff companies. A picture with his beloved father. She loves to travel around the world. Now some good photo shoots of celebrity. Actress name is Emily Hampshire. Her nickname is Emily. She is 39 years old and her birth year is 1981. By occupation, she is actress and having nationality of Canada. Her birthplace is Montreal, Canada. Her zodiac sign is Virgo. Her ethnicity is white. She is educated from Queen of Angels Academy, Canada. Her first wedding was in 2006 and her ex-husband name is Matthew Smith. She is 1.65 meter tall and having 55 kg of weight. Her hair and eyes are dark brown. Her most famous role in Bay Meets as Angelina. She got Canadian Screen Awards and Golden Maple Awards in Canada. Her net worth is $500,000. She is only actress in her family. She started career since 1996. She also worked in Canadian series The Space to Rent. Her favorite designer is Tara German. Her favorite destination is Paris. She got engaged with singer Teddy Giger in 2018. There are some special photo shoots of Emily. Actor name is Mio Supasit. Date of birth February 21, 1991. Nationality is Thai. His age is 29 years. He is educated from Casey Start University. By occupation, he is actor and a most famous singer. He is active from 2017 till present. He is 182 cm tall and having 154 IBS. His zodiac sign is Pisces. Now debut TV series. I Am Your King in 2017, Final Call in 2019, Why Are You the Series 2020, upcoming series Tharan Thai the series part 2, hobbies, photography, watching movies, traveling, wearing expensive dresses, and sports. Favorite movie is Star Wars. Favorite color is blue. Favorite food, salmon fish and curry rice. Favorite fan club is Mew Lines. Net worth is $2 to $3 million. Name is Demet Özdemir. Her nickname is Senem Aydin. Date of birth February 26, 1992. She is 28 years old. Her birthplace is Kocaeli, Turkey. She is 5 feet 6 inches tall and having 56 kg of weight. Her marital status is single. She is educated from Bangu Dance School. Her birth sign is Pisces. Demet's family is Turkish origin who are immigrated from Bulgaria. She is playing Turkish this series as 2018. She affair with Yusuf Kim and nowadays she is dating with Ken Yaman. By occupation, she is actress, dancer and a most famous model. Debut series Salak Koksu in 2015. She got awards Golden Butterfly Award and Best Romantic Comedy Actress. She is active from 2012 till present. Her brand endorsements are Garnier and Fresh Company. Her nationality is Turkish. Her ethnicity is Middle Eastern. Her favorite destination is Bodrum, Turkey. Her favorite color is purple and pink. Her net worth is $3 million. And now some favorite photo shoots of Demet Özdemir during modeling. Hi guys, today we will talk about Nigerian comedian. First of all, most welcome in my channel Sajid Raza Creations. Please guys subscribe my channel and now let's start the video. Comedian name is Mark Angel. He is famous for comedian. His nationality is Nigerian. His date of birth is May 27, 1991. His birthplace is Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and he is 5 feet 10 inches tall. He is educated from Harry Cooper Film Institute. Nowadays, he is living in Lagos, Nigeria. By profession, he is comedian, director, and film producer. His net worth is $600,000 to $800,000. He is also director of Hallway Movies. His eyes and hairs are black and he loves to travel around the world. His favorite vehicles are Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, Honda Civic, Toyota Hilux Champ, and Toyota Crown 1994. He is also active on Instagram and having 1.2 million followers. Now there are some funny and special photos of Mark Angel. Miss Myra Khan. Her date of birth is December 21, 1984. Nationality is Pakistani. By occupation, she is actress and most famous model. Her birthplace is Karachi. She lives also in Karachi. She is famous for her best role in drama serial Humsafar and Bin Roe. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall and having 56 kg of weight. Her eyes are brown and hairs are black. Her zodiac sign is Sagittarius and she is educated from University of Southern California, Los Angeles. Debut, TV series and movies. Her first movie was Bold. She is in relationship with Ali Askari. She is married. She have one child named Azlan Khan. Now her favorites. Her favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan, Johnny Depp. Favorite actress is Samina Pirzada. Food any gravy with rice and traveling around the world. Now some childhood memories of Myra Khan. She is also quite famous on Instagram. Her net worth is $6 million. Now some good modeling photo shoots. Her name is Marina Rui Barbosa. Her nickname is Marina. She is 25 years old. Her date of birth is June 30, 1995. Her birthplace is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Her nationality is Brazilian. By occupation, she is actress. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Cancer. Her net worth is $53 million approx. Her source of income is acting. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall and having 56 kg of weight. Her dress size is 5 US. Her hairs are brown in color and eyes are dark brown. She is married. Marriage year is 2017. Her husband name is Alexander Cernes and he is a race car driver. Marina is active from 2002 till present. Now her debut TV series. She notable for her acting role in the Brazilian fantasy adventure children's film. In 2004. Her hobbies are wearing expensive dresses and horse riding. She is also active on Instagram. Now some good photo shoots of Marina. Sajal Ali. Her nickname is Sajal. Her date of birth is January 17, 1994 and she is 26 years old. Her nationality is Pakistani. By occupation, she is actress. Her birthplace is Lahore and nowadays she is living in Karachi. She is famous for her role in family drama Mahmoodabad Ki Malkaein. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her weight is 52 kg. Her dress size is 12 US. Eyes are brown in color and hairs are black. Her zodiac sign is Capricorn and her first TV drama serial is Nadaniya and her first film is Zindagi Kitni Haseen Hai. Relationship. Nowadays she is dating with Feroz Khan, which is Pakistani actor. She is single. Now her favorite actor is Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan, Pakistani actor Fawad Khan, Pakistani actress Sania Saeed, and favorite food is pizza. Her net worth is 30 million rupees and she is quite famous on Instagram. She is active from 2009 till present. Now some good photo shoots of Sajal Ali in modern name is Berguzar Korel. Her date of birth is August 27, 1982. Her age is 37 years and 8 months. Her nationality is Turkish. Her net worth is $3 to $5 million. By occupation, she is actress and model. Her birthplace is Istanbul, Turkey. She is famous for her role in the given TV serials. She is 5 feet 10 inch tall and having weight of 58 kg. Her dress size is 4 US. Her eyes are dark brown in color and hairs are brown. Her zodiac sign is Virgo. She is active from 1998 till present. Her first TV drama serial is Spirit Hayat Lore and first movie is Sen Olesen. She is married. Her husband name is Halit Ergens, who is Mr. 2009. He have one kid named Ali Ergens. She have a good skills in swimming. Now some good photo shoots of the actress. Actress name is Sanam Jung. Her nickname is Sanam. Her age is 31 years and 7 months. Her birthplace is Karachi, Pakistan. Her nationality is Pakistani. Her hometown is in Karachi. She is famous for her role in Ghar-Aaye Mehman, which is TV serial film. She is educated from University of Karachi. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her weight is 60 kg. Her eyes color is hazel. Hairs are black in color. Her zodiac sign is Libra. She debuted his career in 2013. Her first TV drama serial is Dil Master and first TV film is Ghar-Aaye Mehman. Her net worth is $7 million as in 2020. Her marital status is married. Her husband name is Syed Abdul Qasim Jafri. She have one daughter named Alaya Jafri. She is also active on Instagram and having 1.5 million followers. Now some good photo shoots of Sanam Jung. name is Laila Utadi. Her date of birth is August 5, 1983. She is 36 years old and her nationality is Iranian. Her net worth is $8 million approx. By occupation, she is actress. She is well known for her role in Skins and Riot. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall and having 53 kg of weight. Her dress size is 4 US. Her eyes are black in color and hairs are in blonde. Her zodiac sign is Leo. She is active from 2006 till present. Her first TV drama serial is The Last Scene and the first movie is You Tap Tap. She is unmarried and she got degree from Tehran University of Arts. Early in the career, at the age of 7, she got opportunity to start acting in films. Her first book was published in 2014 named In Heaven There Is No Crow. Her ethnicity is white and she is also active on Instagram. Now there are some good photo shoots of Laila Utadi.